Hi guys, I've come on here today, this is my first ever video, and it's to talk about hair loss and female pattern baldness that I've suffered with since my late teens. As you can see, I'm very fine at the front and at the top and at the back. Let me just tell you about some of the things I used to do in my earlier days to try and disguise my hair loss. I used to get it glued and sewed in, hair pieces. But this was a terrible idea because, you know, once you removed it, you lost more hair. So that was a terrible thing to do. Then, over the years, I've gone on to do all the fads, you know, the rosemary oil, the rice water, leave-in conditioners, tonics, you name it. I've tried it. Then there was a stage where I was constantly buying hair pieces online, thinking I was getting them from, you know, good sites, saying that they were quality hair, human hair, but when they arrive, there wasn't a colour match, they were synthetic, they just was no good. So, you know, and over the years, I've just wasted loads and loads and loads of money. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to go down the route of toppers. So I went online and looked at several legitimate sites, but the one that caught my eye was UniWigs. On their site, they had such a large variety of styles and colours, and I thought, yeah, this just might be the one for me. But I thought, where do I start? I don't know what colour to order. And then I noticed on their website, you can send some pictures to them of your hair, and they will colour match you. So I did this, and within no time at all, they got back to me. They said, not only have we got a shade for you, but we've got a style for you that we think would really suit you. And guys, it arrived with me today, and here it is. And it is an upgrade Courtney with a 7x8 mono base, which just means that you've got a free part. So if you want it to the left, to the right, it's entirely up to you. As you can see, a perfect match, 100%. Like I said, guys, I've never worn a topper before. This is going to be my first time. So there we go. So we've got your clips at the back. I'm going to clip them down now. Oh, okay. That was easy, very comfortable. And then at the front, find my parting and then get back to you guys. Look how natural that looks. I've taken some of my bio hair and blended it in with the part. Also UniWigs do a fibre spray, which I've used just to give it a blend, that it makes it look more natural. Can't believe it, guys. I think this is going to be my go-to from now on.